Good morning, all dear students. Let's start a new lecture. IUPSC nomenclature of amines. IUPSC nomenclature of amines. Look here. Look here. The first rules to select longest continuous chain of the carbon atom having a NH2 group. Having NH2 in case of the primary amine. In case of primary amines means, look here, a derivative of parent alkane suffix E is replaced by word amine. IUPAC names of compound here, alkanamine. You know here alkanamine R, next NH2. Okay, R, everybody R here, alkyl group. Actually the derivative of parent alkane, alkane. Okay, alkane. Look here, a suffix E is replaced by amine. Alkanamine. Alkanamine. Look here. Start the number of the selected chain. They are nearer or closest to the NH2 group. Nearer or closest to the NH2 group. Okay. Look here. Next example, CS3. CS3NH2. Look here, how many carbon atom here? One carbon atom. A name of derivative of parent alkane, methane, is replaced by amine, methanamine. Okay, methanamine. Methane is replaced by amine, methanamine. Okay, methanamine. Next, CS3, CH2, NH2. How many carbon atom here? Two. Name of the alkane, ethane. Suffix E is replaced by the amine, ethanamine. 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 Correct? Yes. Look here next. CS3, CH2, CH2, next NH2. How many carbon atom? Here 3. Name of alkane, propane. But 3 or more than 3 carbon atom by using numbering here. Means a numbering all of you here. 1, next 2, next 3. Name of the compound. Name of the compound, propane. P capital, propane. Propane 1 amine, propanamine. Next, CS3, CH, NH2, CS3. Look here, start the number here. Look here, NH2 group here. Okay, start left side or right side. Both side NH2 group are a same distance. Means 1, 2, 3. Okay, look here. Name of the compound, propane. You know, propane. Propane 2 amine. Propane 2 amine. Next, CS3, CH2, CH2, next CH2, next NH2. How many carbon atom? 4 means butane. Okay, butane 1 amine. Butane 1 amine. The next compound, CS3, CH, NH2, next CH2, next CH3. Okay, numbering here. Left side or right side? Okay, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? NH2 group are nearer to the left side. NH2 group are nearer to the left side. Name of the compound here, butane. You know, butane 2 amine. Butane 2 amine. Next, CS3. Okay, CS3. Next, CH3H, CH2NH2. Look here, numbering 1, 2, 3 means 2 methyl. Okay, first 1 amino, 2 methyl. 1 minute, 1 amino. 1 minutes. 1 minute. 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Okay. 2 methyl. Cut. 1 minute. 2 methyl, next propane, okay, 1 amine. Look at next compound here. Next, CH3, NH2, right? Okay. Number here, numbering 1, next 2, next 3, means 2 methyl, propane, 2 amine. Propane 2 amine. Okay? All these amines are primary amines. All these amines are primary. Why? Look here, all the amines group containing functional group NH2, NH2, NH2. All these are the NH2. Amino group NH2. Correct? Yes. Look here, next examples. Next example, all of you. Okay. Look here, a next example, CH2, double bond CH2, NH2. Okay, common name allyl amine. Okay, common name allyl amine. Okay, start the numbering here. Start number. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, NH2 group. Everybody, NH2 group here like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, name of the compound. Prop 2 in 1 amine. Okay, prop 2 in 1 amine. Look at carbon double bond position number 2. Amine the position number 1. Prop 2 in 1 amine. Correct? Look here, next compound. Everybody, ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. Here H2N, CH2, NH2, NH2. Correct? Look here, ethane, correct? E1, 2, diamine, correct? Ethane, 1, 2, diamine. Okay, next compound like this, aromatic primary amine. NH2, name of the compound, everybody, aniline. Okay, aniline. Another name, benzene. Okay, benzene is replaced by amine, benzanamine. Okay, benzanamines. Correct? Benzanamines. Look here, next compound. Okay. Look here, name of the compound. Aromatic compound. You know here CH3, next the NH2. Correct? Like this. Numbering. Okay, numbering here 1, next 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody here 4 methyl aniline. 4 methyl aniline. Next. Okay, next is the cyclohexanamine. Cyclohexanamine like this. Okay, NH2. Okay, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is replaced by amine. Cyclohexanamine. Correct? Yes. All these compounds are, everybody, all these compounds are a primary amine. This is lot of examples. Correct? Yes. Look here. A next compound, look here, next is secondary amine. Next is the secondary amine. Secondary amine. Look here, secondary amine, 1 minute. Okay, R, NH, next R. Both alkyl group are, everybody, look here, both alkyl group are same. This is a simple amines. In case of simple amine, a one alkyl group convert into a alkanamine and one alkyl group convert into N substituted. N substituted. Look here, everybody, both alkyl group are same. Okay, hence, a one alkyl group convert into a alkanamine and another alkyl group convert into N substituted group. N substituted group. But in case of mixed amine, both alkyl group are different. Look here. A larger alkyl group are considered as a derivative of alkane, means alkanamine. And another alkyl group are an N substituted group. Another alkyl group are N substituted. Larger alkanamine and another, everybody, N substituted group. Look here, name of the compound here. Name of the compound, N-alkyl. Okay, here N-alkyl. N-alkyl alkanamine. Alkanamine. Okay, yes. Look here, example, simple, CS3. NH, okay, CS3. CS3. Name of the compound here is same. N, okay, 1 minute. Name of the compound, N, like this. N-methyl. N-methyl. Okay, another methyl, methanamine. Methane. Methane is replaced by methanamine. Amine. Right? Next. Look here, next, C2H5. C2H5, NH, C2H5. C2H5. Look here, name of the compound here, N-ethyl. N-ethyl ethanamine. Ethanamine. Correct? Look at next compound, mixed amines. CS3, everybody, CS3, NH, C2H5. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound here. Look here, name of the compound like this. N-methyl. 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 Okay, N-methyl ethanamine. Ethanamine. Why? Look here, a smaller alkyl group, N substituted, and larger alkyl group, a ethanamine. Ethanamine. Okay, next. Look here, a next compound. Look here, like this. N, H, CS3. Okay, smaller group, everybody, methyl, N-methyl. N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline. Okay, secondary amine here. Next, N-phenyl aniline. C6H5. Next, NH. Next, C6H5. Okay, name of the compound, N-phenyl. N-phenyl aniline. Okay, N-phenyl aniline. Everybody, N-phenyl aniline or N-phenyl benzanamine. Correct? Next. Look here, N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline. CH2, NH2. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Next, NHCS3. NH. Okay, like same compound, same. Okay. Look here, all these examples are a secondary amine. All these compounds are a secondary amine. Look here, everybody, first primary amine completed. secondary amine also completed, and next part everybody a tertiary amines. Next part a tertiary amines. Okay, last part IUPAC nomenclature. Correct? Yes. Look here, all of you. 1 minute. How many alkyl group in case of tertiary amine? A 3 alkyl groups. A 3 alkyl groups. All the 3 alkyl groups are same. All the 3 alkyl group are same. Everybody, a 2 alkyl groups are a smaller 2 alkyl groups are a 2n substituted. A 2n substituted, and the larger alkyl group a alkanamine. Larger alkyl group alkanamine means R3n means. Okay, look here everybody, a 2 alkyl group are same, n di. Okay, dialkyl alkanamine. Dialkyl alkanamine means everybody here CH3 taken thrice n. Correct? Name of the compound here n dimethyl. Okay, dimethyl methanamine. Dimethyl methanamine. Methane. Okay, methane like this. Methane amine, methanamine. Look here everybody, C2H5 like this, C2H5, okay, thrice n. Name of the compound, n. Repeat. Bolo, n diethyl. N diethyl. N diethyl ethane. Okay, amine. Correct. Name next compound like this. Okay, CH3 taken twice n is C2H5. Correct. Mixed amines. Mixed amines. You know n dimethyl. N dimethyl. N dimethyl larger alkyl group ethyl. Ethanamine. Ethanamine. Correct? Yes. Look here, next example. Okay, normal. Look here next, C2H5 like this, C2H5 taken twice, NCH3. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound. Name of the compound, all of you. Here, N ethyl, alphabetically order here. N ethyl, N methyl. N methyl, ethanamine. Ethanamine. Okay, ethanamine. A next compound. Look here, next compound like this, CH3. Okay, N, C2H5, C3H7. Correct? Yes. Look here, larger alkyl group here, larger alkyl group. And both alkyl group are alphabetically ordered, methyl and ethyl. Means N ethyl, next N methyl, okay, propane 1 amine, propane 1 amine, correct? Okay, next example, like this, okay, next example, N CH3, okay, like this. Everybody here, N containing compound CH3 both are methyl group. Means N dimethyl. N dimethyl aniline. Aniline, correct? Okay. Look here. This is the simplest, okay? This is the simple IUPAC nomenclature, the IUPAC nomenclature of amines, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine, okay? This is the IUPAC nomenclature of amines. This part is completed, okay? Thank you.